Namaste. I am Vishali from Arshavidya Samajam. Arshavidya Samajam is an institution for the Adhyayana, Anushtana, Pracharana, Adhyapana and Samrakshana of Sanatana Dharma. Instituted in the year 1999 and based in Kerala, Arshavidya Samajam has been successful in guiding more than tens of thousands of people to the right path and practice of Sanatana Dharma and in reverting more than 4,000 people who had put their lives at stake owing to misconceptions and dangerous ideologies. With the aim of spreading the priceless knowledge of Sanatana Dharma given to mankind by Sri Parameshwara through the Arsha Guru Paramparas for the welfare of the world, Arsha Vidya Samajam is launching a 1-year online Sanatana Dharma study course. This course, which is going to be delivered in several languages, introduces Sanatana Dharma that was passed on through authentic Arsha Guru Paramparas for anyone over 5 years of age in very simple and clear manner, starting right from the word meanings itself. In the initial phase, the course will be delivered in Malayalam, English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu and Sanskrit languages. Later, the course will be made available in all major languages of India and the world. This curriculum contains clear answers to all the doubts and questions of the common people about Sanatana Dharma and accurate answers to all the criticisms. So who can enroll for this course? Anyone over 5 years of age belonging to any religion can enroll for this course. Even those people who do not believe in any religion at all are welcome to enroll in this course. Even they will have opportunity for doubt clearance. The course contains Sanatana Dharma, which will include an FAQ section with answers to common doubts and questions and counters to criticisms, a comparative study on religions, introduction to various philosophies, Tarka Shastra, Yoga Vidya, Bharatiya Samskriti, Basic Sanskrit, Arsha Sandesham, Subhashitam, Mahadvachanam, Mahita Jivanam, stories with ideals, Dhyana Shlokas, Divya Stotras with meanings, etc. The course will start on 26th of October this year, that is the day of Vijayadashami, and continue till Vijayadashami of 2021. Objective type monthly tests will be conducted and the winners of each month will be announced. On completion of the course, a final exam will be conducted which is going to be of both objective and descriptive pattern, and the top achievers will be awarded. The winners will be awarded by eminent personalities in an elaborate awards ceremony. How much does this course cost? This course is absolutely free. This course is made completely free with the intent that financial constraints must not hinder anyone from attending this course. However, those who wish can remit dakshina based on their capacity on a monthly basis. This will enable Arshavidya Samajam to conduct its activities more extensively and efficiently. However, to select only the interested people to this course, we have fixed a registration fees of Rs 10. To enroll yourself, please fill in and submit the Google form mentioned below and make a payment of Rs 10 to the account details attached along with the post. Sanatana Dharma is a divine science that is capable of creating a heavenly place out of the ordinary, sustaining Satyuga forever, and to impel men to be of divine nature. During the very beginning of man's existence on earth, Sri Parameshwara himself enlightened the Arya Rishis with the intent of ensuring swasthyam, which is Shanti, Samadhanam, longevity, Purna Arogyam, Suraksha, Mangalam, Kalyanam and Shivam, integral personality development, human evolution, complete success, complete Prashna Pariharam and creating a better society. He instructed our Arsha Guru Paramparas to Krinvanto Vishwamaryam, which means to make the whole world noble through the Panchakartavyas, that is Adhyayana, study, Anushtana, practice, Pracharana, promotion, Adhyapana, teaching, and Samrakshana, protection of Sanatana Dharma. Delivering the message of Sanatana Dharma to the world was not merely a divine call, but also a vision of the Guru Paramparas, prayer of the sadhaks, dream of our ancestors, and the birth purpose of our nation itself. The online Sanatana Dharma study course is a bold step towards this yet unrealized goal. This course will be delivered in all major languages of the world to ensure that there is no one in any country who hasn't heard of Sanatana Dharma. Financial assistance is essential along with the service of talented people for advertising, social media publicity, preparation of lessons, translation into various languages, preparing question papers in different languages every month, efficient conduct of the exam and courses, evaluation, determining the winners, conduct of annual exam, prizes which includes cash prizes, scholarships, certificates, trophies, organizing the award ceremony, etc. We invite your valuable comments. You can send them as a WhatsApp message on the number 73-566-13488. Those who wish to contribute to this Yuga Nirman project can send in your donations to the account details given below. In addition to the Sanatana Dharma online study course, those who wish to contribute to our other upcoming projects, that is Vijnana Bharati International Study and Research Foundation, Asthana Mandira Paddhati, Dharma Pracharaka Paddhati, Sanghatana Paddhati, Samarpana Nidhi, or offer Dakshina may send their donations to the below given account details. I once again request all of you to enroll to this course and be a part of this Yuga Nirman project.